Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial I will show you a logo design technique. I hope you enjoy it. Welcome to Photoshop CC with Bronze Graphics. At first go to line segment tool. Hold shift button and make a line. Go to move tool. Hold alt button. Drag and hold alt button to make a copy. Again drag and hold alt button to make a copy. Select this three line and make it group by pressing Ctrl plus G and drag and hold alt button to make a copy. To duplicate it, press Ctrl plus D. I duplicate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Double click and remove the last line. Select whole line, press Ctrl plus G to make a group. Right click, transform to rotate. We rotate it minus 60 degree. Hit on copy. Select this group, not rotate one. Okay. Right click, transform to rotate. Rotate it as a plus 60 degree. Okay. Hit on copy. Go to polygon tool, add a fill color, remove stock. Decrease the opacity. Send it back. Who are new, they make mistake. They go outside of the shape. So I create a hexagon shape and send it back. Send it back and lock it. Decrease the stock size. I think this one is better. Again lock it. Select this three group and go to shape builder tool. Shortcut is shift plus M. Add a fill color. Carefully fill up and press Ctrl plus Y to watch the outline. Sometimes we didn't feel some shape and it was really impressive. Right click and ungroup. Select by holding Shift. Remove the unnecessary lines and shape. Remove stock and choose your favorite fill color. Align center. Send it to back. Drag and hold out button to make a copy. Select this to shape, object to blend, hit on make, again object blend to blend option. Customize your logo how you want. Send it to back. Decrease the opacity. Right click Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl plus F for paste in front. Bring it to front. Select whole shape and right click to clipping marks. And you can customize it anytime by double press. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any question. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notification. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop Illustrator. Thank you.